Hello everyone, it is me, HowTo. Today I will show you the pre-internal diagram of automatic deep cleaning. Helmet Vendo machine, let's proceed. As you can see, this is the diagram. First is the button. Assume that the helmet has been placed properly and press the button. The next is the three motors, which is brush, spray, dryer. Let's pretend that they are the machine in order for us to see each sequence. And the next is the piezo. Let's assume that it is a speaker. Next is the LCD panel for better indicator for each sequence. Lastly, the most important part is the Arduino Uno for inputting code and controlling. Later on, I will show a video. Remember that the application I use cannot produce a proper word. That is why I substitute it with xylophone sound. This is the simulation of automatic helmet deep cleaning Vendo machine. The RPMs showing in every motors is the sequence per stage of cleaning helmets. Will it work if I transfer the code and wiring in an actual project? The answer is yes. Simulating before doing it. Actual is a wise decision because it can reduce unnecessary plan and components for the project. In short, it is cost-effective. You can suggest, what should I create next? Don't forget to like and subscribe for the improvements of my channel.